Welcome back, everyone, to Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. It is Tuesday, March 26th. Lots to cover, so let's jump right into the breadth numbers here. We had 399 new highs today versus only 166 new lows. But that doesn't tell the whole story because the last 15 minutes we sold off viciously. We had, keep in mind, this is encompassing the entire day. We had 38% of stocks advancing versus 56% declining. Looking at the 50-day moving average, 37% of stocks were below the 50-day and 33% of stocks were below its 200-day. Taking a look at the mega cap names, um, it was kind of a mixed bag, but I'll put some context into the close. But looking at the day, you had Microsoft down 0.3%, Apple down 0.67%, Meta down 1.42%, Amazon down 0.79%, NVDA down 2.57%. That was all at the end of the day. Tesla and Google were the only Mag 7 in the green. Tesla was up 2.92% and Google was up 0.36%. Now, really interesting here um, is the sector analysis. And I'll move the sector analysis into the free part of the show notes for the free members. But with 30 minutes to go, you had one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 sectors in the green. By the time we closed, majority of them had lost their gains, and only one sector closed appreciably green, healthcare. So with 30 minutes to go, you had communication services up 0.72%, healthcare up 0.42%, consumer cyclical up 0.4, financials up 0.38, consumer defensive up 0.2. At the close, you had healthcare up 0.34 and consumer defensive was only up 0.1%. Financial was only up 0.08%. So you can see a drastic flush at the end of the session. And I'll post both of these into the free part of the show notes for the free members. But that was quite a sell-off. Summary of the day, if you haven't heard and you've been hiding under a rock, the bridge in Baltimore collapsed, not by itself. A gigantic tanker ship rammed. It looked like, uh, I don't know if it was intentional, okay? It seems to be an accident, but it rammed into one of the support structures of the bridge and the entire bridge collapsed. And this is like the largest ship you can find. Like we're talking about the ships that carry all of the cars into the port. Bloomberg reports that this will definitely impact the U.S. Automotive supply chain. It shows that Mazda, Mercedes, Subaru, Mitsubishi's, and Volkswagens all use that port extensively to bring cars here. Also, Consol Energy shares were down like 10% during the day. They're a coal manufacturer, refiner, and they have a massive terminal at that location. So this is going to definitely impact the East Coast a little bit, but you know, this is a developing story. The other thing, we sold off hard the last 15 minutes of the day. I didn't see any news, but up until that point, there was really no volume. Again, we're, multiple sessions now where I've been posting on Substack notes, midday that the SPY only has like 10 or 11 million shares traded, and the average daily volume is like 77 million shares traded on the SPY. So this is, granted, this is a holiday week. Um, we have Easter coming up this weekend. Good Friday, the market is closed. Um, so it's a very light week, shortened week. I did not expect that sell off at the end of the day. I was literally about to, I had all of my show notes ready to go, like around 3 o'clock, and I was about to go to the gym because I didn't think anything was going to happen toward the close. And 3:45 rolls around. I'm about to turn off my laptop, and I see the sell-off start. So I have to redo all of my notes. Um, but that was kind of the summary of the day. Let's go through what was strong. This is the end of day session. Reddit up again, up 8.88%. These are all percents, okay? MGM up 4.29. Red Rock Resorts up 4.21. Tesla up 2.92, which I mentioned. DraftKings up 2.87. Carvana 2.71. Wayfair up 2.23. And Affirm Holdings up 1.91%. What was weak? ARM Holdings down 7.48%. There are rumors about a potential secondary offering to raise cash for SoftBank. Natural gas down 5.2% to $1.53. Bitfarms down 4.8. Coinbase down 4.6. Sweetgreen down 4.57. Instacart down 3.92, New York Community Bank down 3.9, Kura Sushi down 3.1, PJT Partners Private Equity down 2.73, Marathon Digital down 2.72, VinFast Autos down 2.69, NVDA down 2.57, Smartsheets down 2.5, FBTC, a Bitcoin ETF, down 2.25. I won't cover the rest because they're all Bitcoin related, but that was the summary of the session. For free members, keep watching the Mag 7, the semiconductors, and NVIDIA. Keep watching the 10-year yield. But as a reminder, Good Friday this week is the markets will be closed, but there is a ton of data coming out. You have the PCE numbers as well as Jerome Powell speaking. I don't know why all of this is happening on a session where the market is closed, but expect a move with the futures market, regardless if the market is closed or open. If you're in regular stocks, there's going to be movement. So if you're risk adverse and you're a day trader, it might be best just to be in cash on Thursday before the close if you don't want some volatility in your intraday trading account. Premium members, please stay on. Just a quick reminder for the free members, I still do have the promotion till the end of the month, March 31st, where you can get 20% off the annual membership. It comes to $144 for the year. That comes to 40 cents per day. This is going to be a one-time thing. After April 1, prices are going to be going up for both the annual and premium to 260 per year. Um, so keep just a reminder, you can bookmark the show notes and get that discount before March 31st. For premium members, please stay on.